let's see the relationship between E.M.F or electromagnetic force and terminal voltage of a cell. First, we are going to make a cell, okay, a battery, or you can imagine battery looks like this. Okay, so inside the battery there are two electrodes. One is plus and other is minus. Okay, so outside will be plus terminal and this is minus terminal. So this is inside the battery. We can't see this electrodes inside the battery, but we can imagine look like this. Okay. Now before to flow the energy from before to flow the current, there was some volts. Okay, this volt was E.M.F. Clear. Now when you join these circuits, okay, if you join these circuits from outside, okay, now current will flow from positive terminal to negative terminal. Okay. So in this case, the energy will be little bit less than this E.M.F. Or generally we know that when current will flow, then energy will be less than the previous conditions. Okay. Now in this condition, when this wire is connected, then what is the difference between these 2 points, plus and minus, okay, or two ends of the battery? This potential difference was V, or which is called terminal volts. We already know that terminal voltage. Okay, let this is V. Clear. And we know that EM is denoted by like E, this symbol. Clear. Now same EMF flowing through this wire, but this outside is called terminal voltage. And also when it flows, then current will be complete when it flows inside the battery also. Okay, so inside the battery, current is flowing from negative to positive inside the battery. Outside is flowing through the wire, but inside also. So inside also there is a small potential or a small potential difference. This small potential is known as voltage drop. Okay. Because due to the small change in energy inside the battery, so outside will be less than the previous conditions. Okay. So now if you see this now, this E.M.F. Okay, E.M.F will be equals to outside is working volt or terminal volt plus inside the battery also small V. Good. So due to small V, or there is some work done inside the battery, so EMF will be what? Greater than V, or greater than terminal voltage, or terminal voltage will be less than EMF, because there is extra energy inside the battery, or inside the battery also current is flowing. Or this is E will be EMF will be P plus small v. Clear? And what is the EMF? EMF is work done, okay, or before to do work done, W for positive charge Q. And here is also what is terminal voltage? Terminal voltage is work done. Some distance work done is W dash. When positive charge flows through this wire outside, so there is positive charge is Q. And also same positive charge will flow inside also. There will be small work done inside the cell, okay, for same positive charge. Clear? So this term was before to flow, and this term is when it is flowing inside and outside, inside and outside. So this is the required relationship between EMF and terminal volts. Okay, so if you want to find terminal volt, so this will be equal to, you have to subtract voltage drop small v from EMF, or if you know the voltage drop and EMF, you find the terminal voltage outside. So this is the very important relationship between EMF and terminal voltage of a cell.